Want to score free money just by sharing Cash App with your friends? First things first, fire up the Cash App on your phone. Once you're looking at the main screen, spot your profile icon in the top right corner. It usually features your initial or a profile picture, and tap it. Alright, now scroll down a bit in the profile menu until you see an option that says, Invite Friends. Get the exact dollar amount you can earn per referral will be displayed here. So give it a glance, tap right there. Boom, on this screen, you should have your very own unique referral code displayed prominently. It's usually a combination of letters and numbers. You can either manually copy it or use the share options provided, which often includes sending invites via text message, email, or even through social media. Cash App makes it super easy to spread the word. Choose your preferred method. Personalize your message if you want and send it off. Remember, your friend needs to use your code when they sign up and complete a qualifying transaction for you to earn your referral bonus. Once your friend signs up with your code and sends a qualifying payment, you'll receive a notification and the bonus will be added to your Cash App balance. It's that simple. So get sharing and start earning.